Hi, I'm from learnev.com, and today I'm going to explain the future perfect continuous tense in English, which is used to describe actions that will have been ongoing for a period of time up to a specific point in the future, often emphasizing the duration of the action by that time. Let's look at the explanation on the timeline. We use the future perfect continuous tense to describe actions that will have been ongoing for a period of time up until a specific point in the future, with an emphasis on the duration. On the timeline, the action is represented as a continuous line that starts in the past or present and continues up to a future moment, indicated by a yellow X. In the sentence, I will have been living in London for 3 years by next June. The future perfect continuous tense is used to emphasize that I will have been continuously living there for a period, which will start in the past and continue up to a specific point in the future. This tense highlights the anticipated duration of my time living in London by that future time. Let's look at the structure of the future perfect continuous tense. The structure of the future perfect continuous tense is formed by the subject, followed by will have been, and then the present participle form of the main verb, ending in ing. This structure is used to emphasize the duration of an action that will have been ongoing for a period of time up to a specific point in the future. We use the future perfect continuous tense especially in the following contexts. The future perfect continuous tense is used to express events that will be completed before or at some point in the future. If we know that an event will take place and have a duration up to a certain point, we use this tense. Here is an example. We will have been watching TV for an hour by the time he comes. Another example where this tense is used is to indicate causes in the past that led to a consequence in the future. By using the future perfect continuous past tense, we can announce these causes. Here is an example. I will be really fit when she comes because I will have been working out for 3 months. Thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to your visit to learnev.com where you will find many more free tutorials.